Create a zoom in out transitions. Add auto shake. Trim unwanted part. Keep frequency at 10 and keep amplitude at 2, then angle at 180, slack 0. Subscribe for more Blurrr tutorials. Add offset effect. Add 2 keyframe, then select Y in offset. First key is 0, second key is 150. Keep feather full 100. Add directional blur. Keep blurriness at 20 and direction at 180. Keep watching to know the additional effects used in second clip and some tips to improve the look. Export all the edit and render the edit again in 18 FPS or 24 FPS to get an enhanced vibe effect.